So I do get this question a lot, like, why was my Fiverr account disabled? And sometimes I would just be like, there are actually a lot of reasons why a Fiverr account can get disabled, and maybe you've done just one out of it. So in this video, I'll be showing you like 12 reasons why your Fiverr account can get disabled. And the first one on the list is you ask for review from the buyer. Maybe you ask for 5-star review from buyer. That's not really a good point, but I can tell you Fiverr do disable Fiverr accounts for that. So if you ask for 5-star review, maybe you do that, please try to stop it. Your account might be disabled. And the second one is you have fake reviews. Maybe you have fake reviews on your account, and this is very common because everybody does that. I even encourage people to do that, because without buying review on Fiverr these days, it is hard. Your account might not really perform, so you just have to buy review, but you have to do it in more coded way. When you are buying review, make sure you have this chat process before just placing order. Don't just place order. Make sure the person selling the review to you actually chat you up like a real client, and you guys go through the order process like just normal real client, so that it won't be too suspicious. So I advise that. And number 3, you have multiple accounts. So, and how can Fiverr know that you have multiple accounts? And this is if you are logging in 2 accounts using one IP, at least using one browser. Sometimes they can know that you have 2 accounts. So what you can do to avoid this in most cases is you clear your cookies. So if you want me to make a video on how you can clear your cookies, you can drop it in the comment section, and if I see like 3 comments about that, so I can make a video about how you can clear your cookies, so that Fiverr will not know that you've used an account on it before and you want to log in another account. So you have to clear your cookies before you do that, before you log in. So that's that. And the next one is you accept payment or you communicate outside Fiverr platform. This one is one of the most cogent reasons why Fiverr can just block your account. Don't accept payment outside Fiverr. And if you want to do that, make sure what I do in most cases is I attach it inside the work file, maybe PDF file. I can just put the notes. Maybe I would like us to chat outside Fiverr, stuff like that, or I want to receive payment. So that's what I do. I don't just drop it as a chat. So it is dangerous. So the next thing you can do, this one is very common. You copied other gigs, like other people's gigs, you copy it, or the gig description, it is not so good. Fiverr can actually disable your account, but you just have to make sure you edit the copies before you don't just copy and paste, you edit. So that's that. You have another point is you have fake profile picture. Maybe you're using another person's profile picture. Fiverr might actually tell you to verify your account, and in this process they can disable your account. So that's that. And you spam other users. That's another reason. If you're spamming other users, maybe you're asking them questions about you want to make money, how can you go about it, all these kind of spamming others, Fiverr would definitely disable your account, especially if those people, if they report your account. So, and also this point is we have rude or disrespectful behavior. That one too, you can get disabled. Your account can get disabled for that reason. Using low quantity portfolio images. So they might think you're not the owner of those portfolio images, so they might disable your account for that actually. So if you're using low quality portfolio images, that is not good too. Gig favorite exchange. Yeah, gig favorite exchange. If you're exchanging gig favorite, especially if you are giving favorites to someone gig and that same account is giving you to the favorite, they might know that you're exchanging favorite, which is against their terms and conditions. And the last one is if they disable your account by mistake. It is also common. They can just disable your account by mistake, and most times they won't reverse the decision. It is common to Fiverr too, so they do that a lot. So make sure you don't do any of the above, and if it is by mistake, you just accept your fate and move on and create a new account. So thanks for watching this YouTube, and if you find this very helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. So have a good day. Thanks.